So nomenclature of alcohols. First prefix, then root word, then primary suffix, and finally secondary suffix. This is how an alcohol has to be named. So prefix speaks about the substituents present in the chain. Substituents. Root word speaks about the longest carbon chain. And the primary suffix speaks about any unsaturation present in the chain. And then secondary suffix, it ends with all for alcohol. First, you have to choose the longest chain. For example, I will write a compound and try to name it CH3, CH2, CH, OH, CH2, CBr, CH3, CH3. Let us take this compound. First, you have to identify the longest chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the longest chain is having 6 carbon. And secondly, we are going to number the carbon to find the position of the OH group. Now various numberings are possible. You can start from here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, or you can start from here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, or you can start from here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That numbering is correct where the OH group, the functional group, is getting the least number. So this numbering is good, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, because the OH group is getting the number 3. So now first substituent. In the 5th carbon, that is the prefix, in the 5th carbon, a bromo group and a methyl group are attached. So bromo and methyl, you have to write in the alphabetical order. Therefore 5 bromo and 5 methyl, 5 bromo, 5 methyl, hexane, 6 carbon, hexane, and the all group is in the 3rd carbon, 3 all. 3 all. Therefore, the name of this compound is 5 bromo, 5 methyl, hexane, 3 all. So this is how a linear molecule is named. Look at this compound. If a compound is given like this, then you have to write the full structure of the compound. C2H5 can be written as CH3, CH2. 3 such groups are connected to this carbon. So here the carbon, one more CH2, CH3, and one more CH2, CH3, and then OH is present here. So if a compound is given like this, that has to be written like this. Now we find out the longest chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the longest chain is 5. So the root word is going to become pent. Pent, the longest chain, pent. So now the numbering. How to number? Start from here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In whatever direction you go, the OH group is attached to the third carbon. Therefore, any numbering is allowed. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. While numbering the carbons, you should not jump without a bond, or you should not come back in the same direction in which you have already gone. So that should be a straight count. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So in the third carbon, an ethyl group is attached and the OH group is attached. Therefore, the first prefix speaks about the substituent. So it is 3-ethyl. So the third carbon, the ethyl group is attached. Pent. In the third position, alcoholic group is there. Therefore, it is 3-ethyl pentan, pentan 3-ol, 3-ethyl pentan 3-ol. So this is the name of this compound. Now let us try to name this compound. So first we have to choose the longest chain, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we have to number the carbon. And then we have to number the carbon so that the OH group is attached to that carbon with the least number. So the numbering 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, first prefix. Prefix speaks about the substituent. Here the substituent is chlorine. Therefore, 3-chloro, the chlorine is attached to the third carbon, 3-chloro. It is 4 carbons, therefore bute. And the primary suffix speaks about whether double bond or triple bond is there. So 3-ene, because in the third position, ene, the double bond is present, 3-ene. Now a question may come. The double bond is between the carbon 3 and the carbon 4. You have to take only the least number. So 3-ene 2-ol, because alcoholic group is present in the second carbon. So the name of this compound is 3-chloro-bute 3-ene 2-ol. Sometimes the formula may be given like this. If it is given like this, at every edge there is a carbon. Here is a carbon, here is a carbon, here is a carbon, here is a carbon, here, here, and here. And then accordingly you have to put the hydrogen and get the molecular formula of the given organic compound. See, if it is an open end like this, CH3 group is present. So here is a CH3, here is a CH3. First you write the chemical formula in detail. First CH3 here, then here this is this carbon where OH is present, and then it is this carbon, then there is a double bond, then this carbon, then there is a single bond, and here this carbon, and there is this carbon is here, to which the bromine is attached, and then finally CH3. Now you put the hydrogen, it is 1, 2, 3, therefore 1 hydrogen. Now 1, 2, 3, here a hydrogen, 1, 2, 3, here a hydrogen, 1, 2, so here it is CH2, 1, 2, 3, here a hydrogen. So this is the actual structure of the compound. Now you have to find the longest chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 carbons are present, and the first prefix substituent, then root word, then primary suffix and secondary suffix. You have to number the carbon in such a way that the OH group gets the least number. So it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 6 bromo, first substituent, 6 bromo. It is 7 carbons are, there are 7 carbons, therefore hept, hept, hept. The unsaturation is present between third and fourth carbon, therefore hept 3 ene, 3 ene to all, hept 3 ene to all, therefore the name of the compound is 6 bromo hept 3 ene to all. This is another compound. First you find the longest chain, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, longest chain. Then number the chain so that the functional group gets the least numbered carbon. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So in the third carbon a benzene ring is attached. So the benzene ring gets the substituent name. So the first prefix 3 phenyl, phenyl, 3 phenyl. So pent, pentan 3 all, 3 phenyl pentan 3 all. For your information, this is benzene. When one hydrogen is removed, it becomes a phenyl, phenyl group. This is phenyl group, phenyl. This is toluene. If one hydrogen is removed from here, then it becomes benzyl group, benzyl, benzyl. If 2 hydrogens are removed, then it becomes benzol group, benzol, benzol. So when a benzene ring is attached, you have to note down whether it is phenyl or benzyl or benzol. All these things we will discuss later.